Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Well, I came up to Dingle and it was a Sunday. There was nowhere for me to park this camper there. There was a facility there which was paid per night and it was €40. And when I don't actually need any facilities, it's a bit of a waste of money. So I actually came out of Dingle and I came to a very nice place just outside. And I think if I pronounce it correctly, it's called Páidí Ó Sé Bar. And there's a campsite at the back of the church here, right next to the pub. And I had a cracking meal and it was just a joy to look at all the photographs up on the wall. Celebrities like Tom Cruise, all sorts of people have visited this place. And it's overlooking the ocean as well. You have a huge car park facility here, enough for maybe 30-40 campers. But the reason I'm making this video is to explain to people how easy it is to actually get into Dingle from here. This is only about 7-8 kilometers outside. And I spoke to the local barman who was very hospitable and even allowed me to dump some rubbish in their bins, which I thought was fantastic because getting rid of rubbish is quite difficult here in Ireland. There's not bins everywhere like in Spain and Portugal. But you can actually catch the ring bus from here to Dingle if you want a night out, and it only costs €1.50 on the bus to get in. And I believe the buses run until 6:30 throughout the year, and I believe in the summer months there may be later buses as well. But when speaking to the landlord, he has a load of telephone numbers for local taxis up on the board there. And to come back from Dingle, so if you do go for a really long night out and maybe coming back at 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, it only costs you €20 in a taxi from Dingle to here. So that's a huge saving on paying €40 a night. Now, there are free car parks in Dingle, but one, as you know, this is 8-meter length, and two, it was absolutely chocker there. And when I say chocker, I couldn't even turn in some of the car parks. It was an absolute nightmare. I will put some footage up of what Dingle's like. It looks like it's a great town, but I'm going to have to miss out on it because I need to be going up the coast. I really did have a fantastic meal here last night. It was very reasonably priced. The Guinness was only, I think it was about $5.50 a pint, which was, really affordable. And I had no complaints with anything here whatsoever. It's a very overcast day, but I actually now need to go up. I think it's to about 2.5 hour drive up to where I'm getting the ferry across the estuary, and that'll be in another video that's coming up. So I'll leave you with this footage of what the traffic is like around here and showing you what Dingle town is like as well. Okay, following the coast road into Dingle so you can have a look. And yesterday was Sunday, so the traffic was horrendous, and it was a reasonably nice day as well. It's much more overcast today, and I haven't put the external camera out because I am frightened of it getting torrential rain on it. Okay, we're here on the outskirts of Dingle. As you can see on the right there is parking for campers, but I don't believe they're allowed to be overnight there. But this is a Monday morning. for a Monday, it's very busy. Now, I haven't put my 360 camera on because we've had rain this morning and I do believe we're getting some heavy showers. So as the 360 camera with the microphone in isn't 100% waterproof, I'm not going to risk it. So I've got the Osmo in the dashboard at the moment. Not a very big town, Dingle, but plenty to see and do.